my name is Grace. Today I'm showing how to do a back walkover. For this you'll need a bridge, a handstand and some other things, but I wouldn't say them now to waste time. First, I'd put my legs apart. Oh yeah, and if you don't know how to do a handstand or a bridge or any kicking over, just go to one of my other videos and you'll see how to do it. First, I'd suggest to keep your legs apart and put your hands up. And you might want to also use limbo again to be able to bend down. And go lower and lower, and I'd also suggest to use a wall. And then go lower and lower until you reach the bottom. And try and lift one leg back and jump and then kick over. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe or follow me. Bye.